Yeah, man. This is the Dagon Sorrow.
This is the Joyride with the Rainbow Goddess, the Rainbow Goddess. Hey guys, today's video is going to be about a lemon custard pie. It's no bake, it's super easy, and I made it with a can of coconut milk, but you can make it with literally any milk at all. And the bonus is I made this recipe with ingredients and tools that literally anybody would have in their kitchen. I chose the lemon custard pie, no bake, because I know we want to be making easy, delicious things that we could be munching on all day. That is like, you know, a little bit on the healthier side. Plus, a ton of my neighbors have lemon trees. So if you have not looked around your neighborhood, maybe look, because it is really abundant in California. So take a walk outside, see if you could get some free lemons. Ready to get started? Let's go! Okay, so this is just a two-step process. First, we're gonna make the crust, and then we're gonna set it in the fridge. Next, we're gonna make the custard, pour it into the crust, and set it in the fridge. And voila, it's done. You can really use any mold, but this is what I'm using today. And then I'm gonna put some plastic wrap into the divots so that I can pop it right out when it's ready. Now I'm going to divide my crust evenly between the little divots that I have. And it's easier to press it down if your hands are a little bit wet. Now put it in the freezer. First, we're gonna zest our lemons, and this is my favorite kind of zester. So this is gonna be really easy. We're gonna combine all of our ingredients into the pot. I have 1/3 of a cup of sugar, 1/2 a cup of lemon juice, 1/2 a cup of coconut cream, 2 lemon zest, a pinch of salt, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Before I turn the heat on, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a nice whisk. You can use a little bit of turmeric, I'm almost out, for some color. Now I can turn on the heat, and I want to keep whisking it until it thickens up. You can see that now it's nice and thick and it's ready, and I want to pour it in very quickly. Decorate it with a little bit of lemons and shredded coconut, and set it in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. The moment of truth, guys. I don't know if you saw, I did already take a little bite. It's really good. The consistency of the custard is really yummy. And it's also perfectly sweet and perfectly tart. That is delicious. I feel like, you know, desserts, sometimes you feel like you could only have a couple bites, but I feel like I could have this whole thing for breakfast. I mean, it's alkaline because it has lemon juice, and it has nuts and coconut oil, which is good for you, turmeric. I mean, this is practically like a superfood and a dessert. That's what I'm gonna tell myself. So you saw that I made 3 of these, but the custard was enough to make a whole cupcake tin, or you could make a bigger pie.
My beautiful lovers, if you want to watch more videos by me, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I put up a new video, which is every Monday, and sometimes I put bonus videos, so get notified. And definitely try other recipes by me. If you didn't already know this about me, I've been a vegan chef for 10 years. So the flavors that I put together are really something unique, and please let me know in the comments like what you liked about it, if there's any other recipes you'd like me to share with you. I'm an open book. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and have a healthy, happy life. Yeah!